Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced and it sits on a little over 1 acre of land. This great family residence is conveniently located within walking distance to the town of Junction with easy access to all amenities. Perfectly situated on a reserved access road within close proximity to financial district, health services, churches, and retail outlets. This multifaceted home boasts 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, kitchens, indoor and outdoor space to suit your every need, including basement, swimming pool, and large underground water tanks. Do not miss out on this great home or investment opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.